This is a video for a 2015 Ford Escape 2.5 liter motor mount. Quick tip video. You don't have to remove the whole cowling because you might have to use a puller, which might extend the time of your job. So what we do is remove this coolant bottle, just wedge like a flathead, wedge it open, pull out one side, and the back side might be a little tricky, but it's the same thing. You might get away with just wiggling it a little bit and pulling it all out. And then you have 15 millimeter right there, 15 millimeter back there. And I believe these are 18s. You might have to double check that once you remove that. But before all that, I forgot, just make sure you have it jacked up with a piece of wood on the oil pan, and you'll be able to lift this thing out right away. All right, just a quick tip. You don't have to remove the whole cowling. Just get the coolant bottle out of the way. You'll be able to get the 15 millimeter in the back, the one in the front, these three nuts right here, as we see, and you'll be able to pull out the motor mount and install the whole new bracket with the mount in. Hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching.